Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen T-Cross 1.0 TSI 95B Edition 75. This sleek and stylish grey vehicle with 24 second 68 kilometres on the clock is the perfect combination of comfort, safety and style. With features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking and more, you can drive with peace of mind knowing that you are protected on the road. Not only is this car packed with features, but it also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification and a comprehensive warranty. What more could you ask for? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in your dream car today.